take a break, Afiq. Yeah.
Big thing. You think you are here because you're damn good, Vic. Your talent alone can't even pay the rent for this place, bro. The only reason your face is on the billboard is because of me.
Chill, Ghost. He's already tried his best during this training. He's already faced 5 rounds of training.
Yeah, I ask your opinion, Mirul. Psst, man. Shut your mouth and do your job. Hey. Pride. What the hell is pride when your pocket is empty? His pocket is empty. Don't act like a hero with me. You're only here to get trash. To get trash, Vic. Tomorrow, by hook or by crook, you must win, Vic. You must win. Use your head. Play dirty. Play dirty, understand? I don't give a damn. Understand?
Bro, so you really just gonna sit here and take that from him?
I don't have any choice, Danish. I'm trapped. I'm back into the corner.
Come on, Vic. Wake up. Wake up. We don't train you for a man just to give up to the kind of shit person. Come on, we need you. Please. We really need you.
There's always a choice, Afiq. You just too scared to take the risk.
Yeah.
Come on,
Come on, wake up.
wake up, wake up. Let's go, let's get you prepped.
Well. If he's not the golden boy, long time no see.
He's down.
Must be nice that. Afiq,
I'm not in a good mood, Adam. Move.
you've been looking for trouble since the day back 2 years ago. And so, Afiq, you stole my slot, and then you just let Afiq to kick me out of the team.
I swear to God, Zam. I didn't know Apik planned all of this. I'm back into corner. Are you crazy?
Oi, you touch him one more time. Hey,
Come on, Jam. Save your energy. You wanna fight? Fight illegally. Wait for tomorrow. I want to see you fight.
tomorrow. you, and you, Afiq, in front of everyone. In front, that's your Afiq. Worship so much. I gonna drag you down myself, Afiq. So, you can feel exactly what I feel. See you tomorrow.
Vic,
What's the matter now, Danish? I need to focus here.
is the real reason why you and Izam are being far apart. You and the one who's supposed to replace him. Afiq break the whole thing.
Ah, damn. That piece of shit. He just used you and Izam just to hype up the ticket for today's main event. God damn.
He turned you two against each other because he knew if you had joined forces,
he will take down the management. He needed you guys to become the enemies just to hype up the games for today's event. And you both, we just fools getting played by Apip. And it gets worse. Look at what I pulled off in this draft last night. Here, watch this.
Ija, the boy who tried to pull me down. Okay? Now, let's give him hell while I get rich.
But I don't want that kid Izam to be with Tony.
But it's against my integrity.
You sure?
Oh my god. Is that a bribe?
Let me see what I can do. Thank you.
Take it.
Pleasure.
Let's go.
In a few minutes, Apip wants you to target Izam left knee. He knows Izam have that injury on his left knee. So, he wants you to end his career tonight. Do you want that?
Son of bitch! After all of this time, I was
Don't worry.
just like a dog.
Don't worry. I have everything. All of Apip's action in briberies, in his illegal actions, I will leak it into the media. So you don't worry. You will settle today.
It's all on you, babe. It's all on you. You want to stay to be a Apip dog, or you want to settle down this like a real man?
Hilang arah tuju, cuba nak hidup mewah. Balas dendam, lepas gerak kuat tak pendam. Susah nak pinjam, waktu jangan.
Mana boleh mengalah, mana boleh berserah, mana boleh mengalah.
Keras semua unit, rendezvous bertemu di markas sulit. Kita senangkan semua kes rumit. Buka file baru yang dah tutup, tak payah nak ungkit. Aman kami mengalir dari atas bukit. Hati sama merah, jangan tengok warna kulit. Kalau baru nak insaf, sorry bro, it is too late. Budak nakal baru nak nangis lepas kena cubit. Kami sebab anak bangsa.
Huh?